What's up, squad? Who's excited for next week? I know I am. So, Sunday market breakdown. Let's get into this. What are the trades I'm looking at next week? What we got on AUD USD? I still think price is gonna revisit these highs over here because there was a very near miss. So I'm predicting price is gonna try to fill that. So, but either way, we are in an uptrend, right? So, if I get a buy signal somewhere here, maybe something's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen over here. I think because there's a sharp move here, created a quick move up and then shot down. Price is probably gonna do something weird around this area. So we are in an uptrend. Although this looks very nice for a quick sell, the price action isn't exactly what I'm looking for. I would like to see something like this over here as well. Then I would maybe look for buys. I haven't gotten any success with it the last few weeks, so I'm probably gonna stick with buys. And let's see what price does over here. Looking for buys on AUD/USD, nothing clear right now, and also other AUD pairs also have areas of interest quite close, so I'm pretty sure AUD is gonna move up. Don't quote on me on that, but that's my prediction. But didn't get any buy signals from AUD CAD, and AUD CHF also didn't give me a good buy signal. No divergences, no clear areas of interest, so I'm gonna move past it. AUD JPY is actually looking very interesting. It's exactly the Falcon's strategy, I think. I don't know, but that's what I saw in one of his YouTube videos. So there's an extreme high, price created a gap here, and now it's trying to fill that, but it still hasn't touched the extreme high. It hasn't broken it. So, and price looks very good for sells. I mean, if we could get a tap here, there's a nice potential for a regular divergence, something like this maybe, and then price could just drop. So something like this might happen, who knows. So, but that's very interesting. I'm keeping my eye on AUD JPY. Even though AUD could move further up, there's also I also saw an opportunity for sells on AUD USD, right? There's a divergence here actually, so we'll just have to wait and see what price does. Let's continue. CAD CHF. CAD CHF has been dropping ever since, and what you're gonna do now? 3 wicks. Nothing clear for me. I don't see any divergences. I don't see any potential reversal areas right now, for me at least. CAD JPY looks like it's going down. So we just have to wait and see what the price does in these areas. JPYs overall are moving up, but on the daily, CAD-JPY made a very, it's not showing here, but if you see here, this is a very nice divergence on the daily. So I'm waiting for price to drop, and it has been creating lower lows, sorry, lower highs. So we are in a somewhat of a descending channel, right? So I'm looking for price to drop, lower high, lower high, lower high. So also here's a possible channel, maybe. Just have to wait and see. I'm predicting price is gonna drop. I'm thinking price is gonna drop. So yeah, maybe looking for buys. If we could, price could easily come up here, create like an M pattern. Maybe just then I can whatever. Anything can happen in forex. Who would have thought AUD CAD was gonna just shoot up from here? I was thinking it was gonna drop. So CHF has been going up, broke the most recent high. No, sorry, not recent high, the extreme high. So price is gonna make some kind of correction at some point, and by the looks of it, this could happen. Made a high, came back down, started to go down again, broke that high. So it's creating like a channel already. So who knows? Who knows? Whatever happens, I'm looking for divergences in key areas. EURUSD is in those areas right now. EURUSD is moving. It's in an uptrend, right? It's in an uptrend right now. Don't see any divergences. This is a really small one, but one tweak I've made to my strategy. I'm looking for entries on H1, so I'm not gonna count any more H4 divergences. Just I'm trying to simplify my strategy as much as I can. So I'm only looking for H1 divergences now. Looking for H1 divergences. So right now I'm not seeing any. So let's continue. Not gonna force any more trades. AUD CAD, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? That's very interesting. What are you doing? So let's keep an eye on what AUD CAD is gonna do here. It's in such a heavy uptrend. I'm not convinced it's gonna go the whole way down here. It's gonna take out all the buy orders and then just shoot up. Something like this, maybe. Who knows? AUD just tanked. So let's see what price is gonna do here. there's a gap between this price and this price and this price, so this just took out this low. Okay, let's see what we can see. Okay, this is interesting. So yeah, this is interesting. Something like this is probably gonna happen. It's gonna drop, it's gonna break, something like this maybe, and it's in an uptrend. So, and it didn't reach the recent high, made a gap here, so I'm thinking price is gonna reverse over here probably. Either it's gonna reverse or not, something weird is gonna happen here, so I'm looking for my setups to formulate somewhere here. Let's see. Euro CHF. Okay, something interesting is gonna happen over here. Price made a gap, so euro is gonna drop a bit probably, and then do something weird and then reverse probably. Nice. There were a few millionaires made this week, I presume. Euro just tanked in every pair. Okay. GU. Not seeing anything worth trading right now. There's a divergence here. Here there is the divergence, but this price action is really not sympathetic to me. I don't like this price action. It's too weird. GBP CHF. What can we see here? Ranging like a son of a gun. Okay. I got some waiting to do next week. Probably looking for buys on GBP JPY. GBP AUD is really rangy. I don't like this kind of. There's nothing to trade here for me right now. Made a gap on both sides of the range, so anything can happen. It can shoot up from here, fill this gap. It could drop, fill this gap. So currently we can get some kind of a divergence. Well, there is actually, but this price action is really weird, rangy like a mother. So there is a divergence here, but the price action is trying to find a decent word for it, but I'm struggling. This looks like it might revisit these lows here. So there's a little bit more to go. So maybe look for sells, even though on the daily we didn't touch that wick, so maybe it's gonna go down back here, create some kind of divergence and then shoot up. Could happen. NZD USD currently in an uptrend. Something's gonna happen there probably. Also a very huge potential for a reversal. Huge divergence potential. Let's keep an eye on that one as well. This is like small range already, so anything can happen in Forex. Keep that in mind. This high and this high, this way too close. It's probably gonna revisit that recent high, and NZD CAD would be smart to look for buys, in my opinion. Price also made a hidden divergence here. Very nice one, I might add. Yeah. So could also read it as a break and retest. So yeah, look, NZD CAD probably going up. Not seeing any good entry points. NZD CHF, try to sell this. Oh no, I tried to sell AUD CHF, sorry, yeah. Failed miserably. Price is going down. Broke the high. Was convincing people it's gonna go up, then came back down. Tried to bounce, failed, dropped back down. So I don't know. Anything can happen, right? So could be a potential sell-off. Keep an eye on this as well. So I did take this sell. You can see it from the last video. Also looks good for sells. NZD JPY. There is a gap here, but a lot can happen. It's on the daily or even on the weekly, so it can range here, it can drop here, then go up. So this is also looking good for sells. Also made kind of a break and retest to the downside. Why not? This is a trade I took. I've logged it. Right now I'm clean. And moving into the second week of the funded challenge. USD CAD. This would have been an extremely nice trade, but I got scared. Felt fear. I'm reading Think Like a Monk from Jay Shetty, And one important thing I have remembered from that book is change your language. Don't attach yourself to fear. So don't speak like I am scared. You are not that feeling. You are just feeling that feeling. Like, take the attachment from the feeling away. Like, I'm feeling fear, but I can control my feelings, and if I can control my feelings, I can control the fact that I don't need to feel fear. So that's one thing. So I felt fear here that I'm gonna lose these profits, and that's why I closed and took the CAD JPY sell and all the shit that I did last week or this week. So I'm not in this trade anymore, unfortunately. But still a gap here, right? So there's still a huge range on USD CAD. So right now it's dropping. Price is probably gonna do something weird here, maybe drop and then go up. Nobody knows. We'll just have to wait and see. I have to be very patient this next week and overall in life, not just next week. But huge potential setups forming. I just have to wait. I wanna be the sniper, not the machine gun. Not seeing anything on USD CHF, USD JPY. Took this buy over here, felt fear again after this one candle closed. Got stopped out at break even, and then price shot up. Currently not seeing anything worth trading. So yeah, AUD JPY is looking interesting. NZD's USD is also looking interesting for sells, and NZD CHF also looking interesting for sells. So these are the 3 trades I marked up currently. Anything can change in 24 hours, so actually I don't have time. I mean, Falcon is doing a midweek market review or whatever. I mean, they are doing a midweek market review. It's actually a good idea. Maybe I thought about making a video right now about it too, but my week is really busy, so I don't have. Unfortunately, I don't have time. Squeezing in a video every night is challenging enough currently. So yeah, this is it, guys. Hope you got value, and if you wanna see more of my journey, I have a Telegram channel and an Instagram. Links are in the description. Got in value, feel free to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video, probably. Of course I will. So yeah, see you guys. Cheers. Trade safe.